Hey everyone, I just wanted to give you guys a little sound clip on the new intake I recently installed from Eventuri. Here we are at idle and I'll give it a few revs. Alright, so now I'll try to give you guys the sound with one window down and going through a few of the gears. So overall, not bad. The sound is definitely better than stock. Obviously the cone will give it a little more sound. It's been about 30 miles now that I've had it installed, and I'll see if there are any changes in regards to any kind of check engine lights or anything like that. I'm sure Eventuri did their homework, but I'll be sure to update that. And also hopefully get a dyno done soon as well.